Welcome back, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're comparing two popular drones, the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera and the LMRC-12 drone. Let's dive into the features and see which one suits your flying needs best. First up, let's talk about camera quality. The Hiturbo drone features a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted. Reviewers appreciate its good photo and video quality, although some note a slight lag. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 drone also has a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, dual camera switching, and FPV real-time transmission. Reviewers love the immersive experience it provides, making it feel like a cinematic adventure. Now, let's discuss flight time. The Hiturbo drone offers 24 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable batteries, giving you 12 minutes per battery. Reviewers find this sufficient for casual flying and short projects. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 drone boasts 26 minutes of flight time with high-capacity modular batteries. Reviewers appreciate the extra minutes, which can make a difference in extended sessions. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The Hiturbo drone is praised for its user-friendly design, featuring altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing. Reviewers recommend it for all ages, even young children. The LMRC-12 drone also offers headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photo/video, along with altitude hold hovering. While some reviewers found the app challenging, many appreciated the fun and interactive features. Additional features can enhance your drone experience. The Hiturbo drone includes voice control, trajectory flight, and speed adjustment. Reviewers enjoy these extras, especially for adventurous flying. The LMRC-12 drone, with its brushless motor, is noted for being more wind-resistant, stable, faster, and quieter. Reviewers describe it as a durable and efficient choice for various conditions. Overall, reviews for the Hiturbo drone highlight its ease of use, good camera quality, and suitability for all ages. Reviewers particularly appreciate its user-friendly controls and durability. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 drone receives praise for its immersive camera experience, extended flight time, and advanced features. However, some reviewers mention challenges with the app and control issues. Both drones offer great value, but your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. So which drone do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting comparisons. Check out the product links in the description if you're ready to take flight. Fly smart and happy shopping!